Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. And special shout out to my dude over in the UK for holding me down on this pair. So let's crack this open right here. This is a shoe that I definitely had to have, and I'm excited that I was able to get them, because without him I would have actually struck out on this shoe. So again, big shout out to him. He knows who he is. I'm not sure, you know, I really mainly deal with him on Instagram, so I don't really know if he actually even sees my videos. So let's crack this open right here. This is just a special shoe. Let's see right here. You can kind of see the red box right here. As you can see, it is the Air Jordan 4 Retro, the Levi's, size 10. Right there. Here's the box. Right here, let me make that brighter. You got the Levi's branding right there on the side, and then you got the Jumpman in the middle. But this is such a dope shoe, at least from what I've seen so far. I haven't seen them in hand. And colorway is denim sail game red, and as you can see right here, it's a UK size 9 since he is coming from the UK right there. Here is the little, you know, I guess packaging right here. It says Jordan and Levi's are together again, fusing the signature Air Jordan style with Levi's premium denim. These two icons of sport and style reimagine the roots by combining the beauty of the Air Jordan 4 and the authentic heritage of Levi Strauss and Company. Right there. Okay, you got the Levi Strauss paper in white, and these shoes are right here. Okay. And I know he said he put the receipt in one of these shoes inside, but here's just a quick look at this shoe. It's frayed right there. And also something that's special about this shoe, the specific one, is, you know, the red tag. It usually says Levi's on it, but this one just has the register, you know, the R on it. Since I believe after like a specific amount, I believe it's like 1 out of 10 or something like that. Instead of having Levi's there, it has the R. So this one is actually, you know, doesn't have any type of branding of Levi's. You know, but other than the red tag right there. This shoe is dope. And here is the other pair right here. Again, you got the hang tag right here with the flight, you know, Jordan. You got the Levi Strauss, you know, looks like basically on the jeans right there. And on the tongue, as you can see, this one will have the size tag right there compared to this one, which did not have it. So this one doesn't have the size tag, but it does have the red tag right there. On this one's got the size tag but no red tag, as you can see. So as you can see the Jumpman in the back right there. There. The shoe tray right here. This one's got Levi's inside, and then you got the Air Jordan branding right there, Levi's. And okay, I see that. Put it all the way in there. Okay. As you can see, he got this from Selfridge right there. Again in London. So it's like 210 pounds over in Offspring right there. So again, shout out to my dude over in the UK for holding me down on this pair. Just a dope shoe. It's just the quality, you know, that they have here. It's just the way they incorporated this denim on the Air Jordan 4 is just amazing. You can see the red air unit right there at the bottom. Then you got, you know, kind of like the brass look too, as far as on the tips. Pretty much like the buttons, basically for the jeans. But this is just a dope pair. And this one has the Jumpman inside. Just a quality shoe. Here. Alright, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. I'll also put all my, I'll put all my info in the description. But just amazed at this shoe. Again, Levi's right there. Alright, YouTube. Peace out.